welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Just kind of keep you updated on what happened. Last video we were putting in the brackets for the beam down there. We got that put in. Relatively no issues. I had to do a little bit of modifications, but we got it in and it's going. The video before that we were putting the beam in up here and closing in that wall. What we're going to be doing next is putting the runners that go across there to attach the typically it would be metal, but we're actually going with wood siding, which is right there. That'll be a different project that we do. Right now we are on the tractor moving these beams that we have up here. I got to move this wood that's up here. I got to move these beams out. We're going to be painting those so they're protected from the rust. Those are going to be the outriggers that go on the front. So just kind of moving things around here so I can jump on this wall up here to get those runners up there. I can't remember what they call them. They're not purlins, but anyway, they're what metal would attach to, but we're using wood. So that is the plan for today. All right, then we're going to get the ladder. What I'm doing here is just putting a support board up there, so when I put my vertical board up, it's got something to set on and I can screw it up there. What I might do is put a board up there, a ledger board, to maybe attach. 2x6. Tell you what, let me get two ladders up there. We might just do a ladder. Let's get a board up there on the level and see what we got. That one I know is going to be awful, but I'm not looking at this. I'm looking for that crown. There we go. Mold up. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That I'm going to actually take this ledger board out. It's got to come down just a little bit, but we should be able to do it. kidding me? Here, I'm bringing over the next vertical board to put up there. Okay, so that went as well as to be expected. Little mishap there, but that happens. Okay, I gotta go nail the outside there in, and then we'll get these two up there and get on to the next phase. Can't do anything but laugh at yourself. I have locked my ladder between these verticals, and I have a time trying to get it. I think I did. By a tree. I locked my ladder in there. Huh. That's not what I planned on. I locked the ladder. Look. Now I can take this off. Gotta get there soon. Release. Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all still seeing everything? Let's try this. Maybe I've got this left. We're just moving right along here. So what I would like to do is put a brace in up here like we did on the other side. But I need to fix something here real quick. If I can. Okay. This end is sticking up a little bit. I don't really like it. Cinch it up. Stay. I'll bring you up here. See what I'm doing. Yeah, that was up a little bit more than I like to. I had to knock that out for that weld piece in there. So what I'm going to do is put a piece up here, maybe, like I did over there. Maybe that'll hold it in place. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this piece in here. Just kind of help it a little bit. All right. Hold that bottom in there too. This board I'm putting in here is just extra support for these verticals going up there. Just strengthen everything. Okay, this is what that finished wall looks like. I still need to put the cross bracings in there. We'll do that later. Show you what it looks like from the outside. It's a big wall. I don't know if I showed you, but this is the siding that we're going to put on it. It's a rough cut sawn lumber. I think it's Popular. This is what it's going to look like. We're going to stain it with used motor oil and diesel. Okay. Should look really good. But yeah, that's what we're doing. This whole project is for that dude to get it under here. Well, that's going to be a wrap for today. Thanks for visiting Rolling Country Outdoors. Appreciate you visiting. Hopefully you're getting something out of this, and I appreciate you being here. Thanks.